Currently 90 degrees out there, sunshine with some clouds. Feels a little warmer because the dew point is in the upper 60s, and upper 90s is still a story for many who were inland. Cooler at the coast because of the sea breeze, upper 80s with an ocean temperature of a balmy 86 degrees. Three things to break down for the broadcast here. One, it's going to be relatively dry for the next 2 to 3 days, and pop-up showers and storms become a little more widespread on your Friday into the weekend with the warm-up as well. Potential for upper 90s with a tropic wave we're breaking down. Again, no direct impacts or threats for us, but something to keep our eye on here at the Fox 28 Weather Center. Here's a satellite and the radar. A few showers and cells just to the west of Claxton and Glenville, but an overview, you can see the sea breeze in South Carolina again picked up there with a few other showers and storms again should all fizzle out within the next hour or so. So breaking this all down in the progression for tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 90s, 92 in Savannah, 93 in Statesboro, 95 in Claxton. The afternoon shower and storm isn't something that we can rule out, but the heat will slowly increase day by day as we get closer to the weekend. First, here's the futurecast. Any sort of shower, storm activity will fizzle on out and dry out just like that with a relatively clear day in the morning, but a few pop-up showers is something we can't rule out, especially to the east of the 95 corridor tomorrow. Any sort of accumulation to the weekend should be under an inch, besides a few spotty places that could be seeing more, but the majority of us will be relatively dry up until Friday into Saturday. Friday looks like it's going to be the wettest up until the weekend, with a chance for some more showers and storms potentially heading off into next week. Again, still a few days out, so we'll keep our eye on it and talk about it more as the days progress closer to next week. Here is the overview, the synoptic picture, you can say, for the heat, showing the Bermuda high that's essentially fueling heat and humidity up the east coast, causing 90s widespread from Savannah all the way up to the northeast. And this heat dome we discussed in the south and southern plains is still sticking around, but with that comes upper 90 temperatures for many, especially across the southeast, raising all the way up the 95 corridor. 90s is the story up until the weekend. With a tropic update as well, 30% chance of development within the next week. Here it is right now, essentially just a cluster of showers and thunderstorms out in the ocean. It has a chance to develop into something more, but it's an uphill battle. There's a lot of shear, which is basically upper level winds that's keeping the storm from developing. But if anything turns and turns for the worse, we'll keep you updated here at the Fox 28 Weather Center. Again, no threat for those who are on land in the States. We have an increase of temperatures Saturday and Sunday. Showers and storms are also the story as well as we progress closer to Friday, but tomorrow and into your early Friday morning still looks relatively dry.